Now I add these total values to the initial investment to view the cumulative total payments that is returned me from to the company. First select these cells, click Format Painter and select these cells. Active cell reference A10, type payments. Press enter key. In this cell, type net cash flow. Press enter. Active cell reference B9, type initial investment. Press enter key. Now click on zoom, type 105. Press enter key. Now select year 1 to 15. Click copy button, then select these cells. Click paste button. Click this cell. Click Format Painter and select these two cells. Now enter initial investment value in cell reference B10. Enter equal sign. Click yearly rate of an investment sheet. Click cell reference I4. Press enter key. Now I add total return values in these cells. This is cell B6, active cell reference C10, enter equal sign, click this cell reference, press enter key. Again active this cell, click in formula bar. Make the absolute position of row 6 and relative position of column B. Press F4 key. Again press F4 key. Press enter key. Again active this cell. Paste the same formula in other cells. Press mouse and drag to right.